Get ready for some new emoji because Apple is teasing over 70 of them for Apple Watch, iPhone, and the Mac. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here for AppleInsider. And as I said, Apple is teasing over 70 new emoji slated for iOS, watchOS, and macOS later this year. The Unicode Consortium already approved Unicode version 11.0, and with it, all the new emoji and characters. Now we're going to get a bunch of entirely new ones, but we're also going to get changes for just the standard persons. So for instance, you can actually now have bald characters, both male and female. We have a new curly hair type, which again, and all these apply to different skin tones at the same time. So we have curly hair, we have bald, and then we have new hair colors. We have two of them. So we have redheads finally, and we even have silver. So any of those in the older generation are finally going to get represented in these standard emoji characters. Obviously, Apple and everyone else are going a long way to make emoji more inclusive, so you don't have to go into something weird and crazy like the Memoji Maker on the iPhone X with iOS 12. Aside from these personalization options, we also saw a host of new emoji, including partying face, pleading face, and of course the cold face. These should arrive on all of Apple's platforms later this year, though exactly when is still uncertain. It could arrive as part of iOS 12, macOS Mojave, and watchOS 5, or it could get released sooner with an update to iOS 11, watchOS 4, and of course macOS High Sierra. Many other manufacturers have already started to adopt these, and it looks like all major players should adopt all of these emoji by the end of 2018. Now, Apple did debut quite a few little teases to these new emoji, but they didn't cover quite all of them in their preview. There are many more that we expect to see that Apple has just not included in the preview. Of those that we're expecting still to see, you're seeing here like sponge and raccoon, skateboard, magnet. Emojipedia was able to have all of these icons already because they're part of Unicode 11, and Apple just has not teased what their specific icons are going to look like. But looking at what we can see from Emojipedia, we can see a little bit of what Apple may do with their versions of these emoji. This is a pretty big update, but not as big as the one we saw in 2018 that saw over 150 new emoji added to the catalog. That brings it to well over 1,000 different characters across the platform. iOS 12 will bring even more fun characters in the form of 4 new Animoji, including T-Rex, Ghost, Koala, and Tiger, and the really exciting Memoji Maker, which allows you to create your own Memoji that'll again map to your face and move as you do as you're in iMessage. They can be used to record short clips and sent on their way, or strike a pose and send them as a sticker. Let us know what you guys think of the new emoji. Are there any that you're still missing? Let us know down below.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.